If your practice isn't generating the revenue you need, the obvious solution is to ramp up production, right? Except that's actually the problem. And maybe you've experienced this before. That approach that chases the carrot of production directly in a way that requires a lot of effort from the doctor. Try that for a few years. Chances are you're going to be close to burning yourself out, if you even make it that long. Chasing the production number is a bit of a mind trap, and it creates a total misery for a huge number of dentists across the country. The goal is not to become a dentist who produces millions per year. It's to become a dentist who runs a practice that produces millions per year. Now, that doesn't mean you're not doing the dentistry. It simply means that you're looking at the practice from a systems point of view. The difference is one of focus, meaning where are you putting your energy? If you put your focus directly on production, then come next year, that's exactly what you'll have to do again. And this is what leads to burnout because it's a lot of work. If you put your focus on the systems and the processes that clear the way for you to do the dentistry, that's a completely different approach. Systems remove the obstacles keeping you from maximizing your profitability in your practice. Systems clear the way for you to do more dentistry, better dentistry, more often. Dr. John O'Rourke is a perfect example of this. He's a guy who's a big thinker who wanted to ramp up his production. And to get that number high enough, his plan was to add more chairs and even more locations, because he was focused on production directly. We showed him a way that was more systematic and process-oriented to achieve the same thing. And he took his monthly production from $235,000 a month to $609,000 a month and actually cut his work week a day without adding any new chairs and without adding any new locations. Now, in an effort to save dentists from the misery of burnout, we've published this report outlining exactly how Dr. O'Rourke made all of this happen. And for you to get a copy for a limited time, visit that URL below.